Welcome back to NG Auto Review. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting comebacks in the automotive world, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. This iconic nameplate from VW's past returns with a modern twist, blending retro charm with futuristic engineering. First impressions. Absolutely stunning. The exterior design pays homage to the original coupe from the 50s and 60s, with sleek curves, a low-slung stance, and those signature rounded fenders. Volkswagen has skillfully updated it with modern LED lighting, flush door handles, and aerodynamic accents that not only enhance performance but stay true to the spirit of the original. It sits on lightweight alloy wheels, standard 19s with optional 21s, and the body features a mix of aluminum and composite materials for weight reduction without sacrificing rigidity. Under the hood, the 2026 Karmann Ghia is offered with two powertrain options. The base model features a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 pushing out 265 horsepower to the rear wheels, while the performance trim bumps it up with a dual-motor all-wheel drive electric variant delivering around 400 horsepower. Acceleration is quick, 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds for the EV model. The handling feels sharp and responsive thanks to its near 50-50 weight distribution and adaptive suspension. Whether you're carving through back roads or cruising the highway, the Karmann Ghia feels planted and agile. Step inside, and it's a blend of classic aesthetics and contemporary tech. You get premium vegan leather upholstery, brushed aluminum accents, and a digital cockpit that doesn't feel overwhelming. A 12.9-inch infotainment screen supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and the haptic climate controls are surprisingly intuitive. The driving position is low and sporty, visibility is decent for a coupe, and the rear seats, well, let's be honest, they're more for small bags than adults. Now, pricing. Volkswagen starts the base turbocharged model at around $38,000, while the fully loaded electric version can climb to $52,000 with options. Considering the design, performance, and brand legacy, it's competitively positioned against rivals like the BMW 2 Series and Audi TT, with more style and heritage to offer. That's all for this detailed look at the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. Let us know in the comments what you think. Is this the retro-modern coupe we've been waiting for? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Catch you in the next one.